Okay, this video is about how you can create a new repository and add a files to that, or even though if you have the existing repository, how you can add the files from your local machine. At first, let us create a new repository. Let it be demo, and you can add the description here, whatever you want. Let me skip that part. You can choose between the public and or private, and also who can commit to this repository. Let it be public at this time. Add a readme file, and now create the repository. Okay, it's creating. Now what you need to do is, like, if you want to add a file from your local machine to the GitHub, just go here, copy this link, the HTTPS link, and create a folder. I already created the demo folder. What you need to do is, first you need to have the git install in your PC. I have already installed that. Just click here, go to git bash, and also you need to set the login credentials. And my at present it's already logged in. Whatever I need to do is now git clone, paste. Okay, it's cloning. And if you check out this, there is a readme file. Actually it is a empty one. There is nothing this is the readme file. Here also it is empty, the demo thing. You can also check that here. Like, let me change the directory now. Okay, now I am in the this directory, this once again I am in this directory now. Like, if you want to add any new file, what you need to do is, you just you can also copy from other directory to here. I am demonstrating by just adding this txt file. That will be abcd.txt, and inside let's some random text. Okay, I'm closing it here. Like, you can check the status of the git, like what is the status. Yeah, it says that untracked files. Like, you need to add it first. Add like, there are some theory behind this. Like, you need to stage it and then commit it. It is in the unstaged area. Like, you need to make it stage by adding this at first. Like, you need to track these files, right? So to keep it simpler, git add, like, you can also use dot here, like, in order to add more than one file. But currently we just have abcd.txt. But when you are working on some projects, you need to add more than one files. Better to use the dot. Like, it is going to add every files which are untracked to. Like, you can also use the star here to add only the tracked files. Right now I'm using the dot here. And if you check the status again, yeah, new file is added, but it's still in the staged area. We didn't committed it. Like, if you want to commit it, in order to make the changes, what you need to do is, you just once again, before that, if you see here, there is only initial commit, like, which we did from the GitHub. Now I'm going to commit one more time. There's, like, if you are working on some projects, and if you feel that the project is working right now, you can just commit. And like, if you are made any changes to the project, you can just specify the message here. Now I will say that I am added abcd.txt file, so that when you come, it's a version control system, right? GitHub is like, you can use this commit message to revert back to this thing. Like, you revert back to this commit, and to do undo changes, it will be very much helpful. Just give the message that what you are doing right now, git commit minus m added abc.txt file. Now committing is done. If you check the log once again, git commit minus m added txt file, initial commit. Okay, like, as you can see here, there was only the initial commit was there. Now I added one more commit, that added abcd.txt file. This is the commit id. Using this, you can undo the changes. Okay, now committing is done. If you check out here, there will be nothing, like, you can see, you don't see anything in the GitHub repository. What you need to do that for that is, just do git push. Like, here I added abcd.txt file, but you can copy the content from other folder to keep it here, and do the follow the steps, like git add and git commit. See that it's 100% done, everything is done. Now let me refresh this page. Yeah, you can see the abcd.txt file here. This is what we added. This how, like, you can also add the folders and everything like this. That's it. Or else, like, and also if you're working in a project, you don't just like, before start working on it, you need to pull the content from here and then start working on it. For example, add a file, create a new file, like another teammate of yours, like, okay, it is giving some suggestion. I will do some, I'll make some changes, and your friend made some changes and committed this file. I create the download post, commit the new file, but these changes will not reflect here. Okay, like, you don't see anything here. To do that, like, whatever, to add all the things, like whatever the changes that happened in the GitHub repository to reflect on the local content, you need to do this. Like, you need to git pull whenever you are working in a team. Okay, like, after git pull, you can see this new file which I just added here, so that now you can start working on your project and you can commit the changes. That's the only thing. Like, like, if you're working in a group project, it will lead to some ambiguous condition if you don't do this. Okay, that's it. That's how you can add folders to GitHub. Just create the repository and take the link and add the files, or get the content from the GitHub.